we've learned a little bit about King Tut today, and what we're actually going to do is we're going to make our own King Tut headdress, and it's going to look a little bit like this when we're done. What you need is a copy of one of these, some blue strips, a hole punch, some scissors, a blue crayon and some coloured markers. Your copy already has dotted lines, and what you're going to do is you're going to follow those dotted lines. Cut around, nice and steady. Cut around those dotted lines. Okay, the piece that you're cutting off is actually going to be part of your headdress. There's another dotted line here. Cut around that. And this little piece you don't need, so discard it. What you've got now is the snake headdress, and then the part that comes down over the ears. If you see this one here, this is what we're going to be creating. Quite simply, get your glue stick, run a line of glue and line up your paper so the edges are straight, and rub it, and there you have your first shape of a headdress. Now with your strips, put some glue and stick them down. Okay, and same there. Do not worry about it overlapping. I'm going to show you why in a moment. And do the same on the other side. So one there, one there, and one there. Right, now turn your headdress round the other way and trim off that excess blue. Follow around that yellow shape so that you get this shape at the front. Do the same on the other side. Follow it round. And then, using your blue crayon, I want you to colour in the stripes, alternate the stripes. So you're going to do this one all the way around, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. When they're full of colour, you're going to use the markers and you're going to do your design inside of your snake. When you've got all that done, turn over your mask, or your headdress rather, and with the hieroglyphic alphabet, I would like you to write your first name in hieroglyphics. So mine is L, it's a shape like lion. O, got a bird. R, and then a letter I, which goes up like this, and that spells my first name. Then next to it, I'd like you to write it in the English translation. When you've got that done, you're going to get a hole punch, punch a hole on each side, and then come to me for a piece of elastic, and we're going to tie it on each side, and there you actually create a headdress just like King Tut.